Hi, I'm Nick Priegnitz with Calibrated Power, home of DuramaxTuner.com. Today I'd like to introduce the Stealth Mach 1 for the LB7. This turbo is a direct drop-in replacement for any LB7. This turbo is designed for guys who use their trucks. You can tow with this thing, it has great drivability. We upgrade the compressor wheel to a 63 by 91, made out of Billet 7075 aluminum. The turbine wheel gets our beast wheel treatment, 72 by 67, extra thick blades. This thing will take a beating. Guys who have their trucks tuned especially, pay attention here. You're using your truck past that factory threshold of horsepower, sustained, you're running it with a trailer behind it. You want a turbo that's going to keep up and lower shaft speed. That's going to keep the bearings alive longer. It's going to keep the turbine alive longer. Have a more efficient profile when you're using a lot of air, so the truck's going to be happier. That's what this turbocharger is designed to do. Furthermore, you have airflow up top. So if you're looking for extra horsepower up top where the factory turbo might run out of air around that 500 or 530 rear wheel horsepower mark, this turbo is going to be there to support you up to 640 rear wheel horsepower. Okay, I've thrown a lot of numbers at you, but I want to make sure that you're not just shopping for horsepower here. Anybody can tell you the turbocharger is going to make horsepower. We've been building these chargers for over 10 years, and we've learned a lot about how stock turbochargers fail. We've learned about what can contribute to a failure in the aftermarket turbocharger, and we've built this turbo to mitigate those issues. Surge. If you're running at altitude, you're running with a load behind the truck's going to be more prone to surge. No matter how hard you build a bearing set, no matter what you do, surge will beat up a turbo and will fail it. These turbos will not surge on you. The compressor wheel is designed in a way to allow you to tow, allow you to use that horsepower without pushing the truck into surge, even as you tow into altitude. The turbine wheel upgrade. That's a custom turbine. We have that cast for us exclusively. Nobody else is using thicker blades. Nobody else is putting the turbine in a position to take extra heat longer in a scenario like running up a hill. Okay, so whether you're using the truck for extra horsepower or you're using it on the daily with a trailer behind it, this turbocharger is a monster. While this turbo doesn't require any tuning, it can be run on an otherwise stock truck. It certainly performs at its best with our custom tuning. If you have any more questions about this turbocharger, check the comments section. There's a link down there that'll give you a spec sheet, all sorts of information, boost pressure, stuff you might want to see if you're considering purchase. If you'd like to talk to somebody in person, we have a staff. They answer the phone. Great guys, by the way. 815-568-7920. They'd be happy to talk to you about your truck, any of the parts and applications might go along with it. I'm Nick Priegnitz. This is DuramaxTuner.com.